All right, so what are we doing here?
We are going to take the one sofa out because we don't ever really have that many people come and stay with us. We're going to move that, and we bought a cabinet that we're going to make for the cats, and then we're going to move the cat tree over there, so I have my dining room back.
All right. So you're making an area for the cats.
Yes.
So we got the couch like that.
Since now we have 3 since the last one.
And we've removed the couch from here. So we're gonna see about getting this all set up in here for the cat box and the cat tree. And a nice little setup, and then we'll have our dining room back. Because the cats have their cat tree set up.
It takes over my side of the table. Yeah, this is clutter and I don't like it.
So we're gonna lift this couch out of here. I just measured it. It is 26 inches, so it should fit out the door. The door is like 27. So my son's coming in. He's gonna help me. We're gonna have to stand this thing up on the end right here and then get it out because of the islands in the way. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. We could take it all apart, but I think I can get it all out of one piece. So we're gonna see what happens.
So, what you doing?
Well, for it to fit, I have to trim this edge to get this back a little further, and it's going to be tight. It's going to be, I think it's going to be perfect. So I got to trim a little off of this, a little off of this, and going because it's hitting the edge of the balance, and I don't want to damage that. And we'll get it in flat, and then this piece should go in with the legs that are on it. I should be able to get it up over the little electric cord just high enough to where it'll still be below this, and yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to cut this in here.
Oh, okay, let me grab the vacuum. Okay, so we trimmed it off. Almost died. Perfect. So now we're on to the table. So now what do you got to do?
We are going to cut the legs down because it's a little too high. If you look right here, it's a little too high for this right here, so it's going to hit the balance.
Yep, because that's 31.
Yeah. So I'm
and a half.
Yeah, so I'm going to cut 3 inches off the legs. I'm going to go get use my miter saw. I won't have these adjusters, so that's the only bad thing. I can't believe I'm saying this out loud, but I'm hoping the fifth wheel floor is level right there. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put these, I'm going to cut 3 inches off of these with my miter saw on all 4 legs. And then put the legs on.
All right, stand by. Yep. His fancy little miter saw. And of course we're doing this at dark because I work during the day. And then we decided to renovate after the sun goes down. Ready?
This should be the right height.
Here's for hoping. Fingers crossed.
We're gonna find out.
So I'm pretty excited about this, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yep.
Why is that?
Well, just because it'll be nice that they have their own space up there and it's not right by my dining room table.
Yep.
And then their cat food and their water and the cat box will be out of my kitchen. Right now we have it hidden. You can't really tell that we have a cat box anyway. But I'd like to be able to use where it's hiding and get a little storage since I don't have a whole lot of pantry. But I think this will be nice. They'll have a place to hang out when we're outside because this is the side where we always hang out at. That'll be good. We started thinking about this, what, 2 hours after we brought the fifth wheel home? Just because we spoil our cats and they have to have a cat tree. But the only place to put it was right next to the dining room table. So, all right, more to follow. Okay, so now what are we doing?
All right, so we gotta cut the kitty access hole. So I got the level. Where's that level?
See, I think I put it back in the fifth wheel. Okay, so this is where it's going to be the floor, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna just cut it, notch it all out.
I know, but I want to make sure that it's up high enough.
There will be nothing.
Because we got some fat kitties.
It's gonna be missing all the way. It's gonna be a complete.
I meant up this way.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what this is for. So how high up do you want it?
That's what I was saying. Is this the floor?
That's the floor.
So probably right where you had it. Go up a little. Just because they duck on the other one. just like that. Cat access.
We're getting there.
Yep.
And we chose this one. Why did we choose this chest?
Because the doors on it, they look like pirates medallion. Yeah, the medallions.
Just like the pirate coin.
Yeah. Can't really tell. I still got to put the back on it. But there's the cat box. Can't even talk. Access door.
And, we sanded that up too.
Yeah, very smooth. Pretty cool. Excited. Well,
it's in. So we got this cut. It's kind of tight for it, but I think you'll be able to get up there. It's better than being down there. So this is in there. It's nice and tight. It's a good snug fit. Ain't going anywhere. The cabinet fits absolutely perfect. It's right underneath here. The height was perfect by cutting 3 inches off the legs. You open this up. Got the cat box in here. She's gonna put some baskets on that side. There's the hole right there where they can climb in. Can you see it in there?
yep.
And that matches the medallion from the
Yeah, I don't know
treasure
if you can
chest
see
here.
it, but there's a little bit of bronze
Yeah.
through the blue.
Look at here on the treasure chest. It looks like the medallion on the treasure chest. Yeah. Yep. Looks like the medallion. I made this treasure chest. This treasure chest was pallet, and I cut the pallet up and I made this treasure chest for Tracy and put the medallion in it. So it's a pretty cool little pirate treasure chest here. I'll open it. Let's see. Goes with our motif. Splits up. She's got blankets in there, but we've got some treasure in there for the kids. Anytime we camp, we set that out, let the kids take some coins or whatever if there are kids in the camp spots.
But that's my jacket when I'm cold because I was sitting outside last. We're gonna get a throw rug to cover up that, and I'll lift it up every time we pull the slide in. But the cats will have a field day.
Yeah, we'll lay a throw rug underneath this, underneath that, and it'll just hang over the edge, and you won't see this. This hole has to be here for the slide to go in and out.
So, project for the day?
That ain't going anywhere.
Done? Nope, pretty snug.
Pretty snug.
He'll be excited. I'm going to be excited because I'm going to clean up that mess down there, and I'm going to have my dining room table back. All right, well.
So you like that?
Yep.
High five it. Another project done.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Come on up. It's done.
You got it done?
Yes.
All right. What'd you do?
So we laid the rug down because cats are nosy and they're going to play with that.
Oh, yeah.
So we covered that up. Here's their little food thing we're going to figure out what. But here's their tower. And remember, this was so big.
Yep.
They couldn't, so I put just a placemat up here and did the Velcro thing down on the bottom. So at least they have room up there. They'll lay up there now because it's not like to the ceiling. And then there's my drawers.
Okay, so you got little slider drawers there.
Yep, like that. And then the bottom will have their food. Snackies, of course, because you can't go anywhere without snackies. And their foods, and then I got their little...
And then the other side?
The other side, there's their cat box.
Okay, and the door into the cat
Yep,
box.
you go through here.
Yep,
and,
I see it. Perfect.
and they've already been in there, so they know where it's at. So yeah, done. Woohoo!
Right, let's see. I'll get back and get a shot of it. Yep, turned out pretty good.
My husband's better than yours.
Oh, we got it done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make some comments, of course, if you'd like. And don't forget,
Ring that bell.
ring that bell. Ding, 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 ding. All right, we'll catch you guys on the other one. Thanks for watching Cash In and Rainchecks.
Bye.
We'll see you on our next camping adventure.